just gotta take the bull by the horns. As usual, the world takes an enormous crap on my head.
All right.
Come on, turn it up.
Jesus, those nerds really friggin' bugged me.
Mr. Galloway is gonna fail me again.
Hi.
Hey,
I know, it's funny. I'm the girl in the dirty pictures, ha.
what are you talking about?
Don't pretend you don't know. Everybody knows.
Knows what?
There's posters of me all over town.
Oh, those.
Now everyone thinks I'm a slut. Great, my parents will be so proud. I'll probably get expelled.
Look, it could be worse.
How? How exactly could it be worse? I mean, sure, I've been a bitch at times, been nasty, but I don't deserve this. My life is over. I mean, I've always wanted to be a model, but not like this. Everybody's laughing at me. I can't bear it.
Everybody's always laughing at me.
Well, maybe you're not as insecure as I am, okay? I just wanted to be popular. Now everybody hates me. Well, I guess I deserve it.
I tell you what, you wait here. I'll get rid of those posters for you, or at least cover them up.
Would you? I'd do it myself, but I can't deal with it. I'm really losing it here.
Just hang in there.
I'm gonna lay your butt out like a newborn baby. I'm a physical specimen, Joe.
I wish I could go to school 7 days a week.
Did you not see me watching that, asswipe?
I think I've got some mayonnaise on my pants.
Pig, stop it!
Good thing my wife didn't see me looking at that.
Someone covered you up, Mandy? Don't worry, I have a fresh poster.
You don't mess with me! Go!
Like that, ain't you?
I shall have to wash my letter now. Hey, slow down!
Get him! Get him! Go on! Really hit him!
Thank you very much.
like Spiral. No explanation, no nothing. And it's not like they care about my heart condition. Seems like there's just no shame.
I can use that.
I'm so forgetful.
More important things to worry about.
Oh, you are the sweetest boy ever!
Nice lip gloss.
That was cool, but don't tell anyone, okay?
All sorted.
What's up?
I ain't heard no stops in
Wonder why no one picked this up.
This sucks. There's never anything good on TV.
What, war footage and natural disasters doesn't do it for you?
Nice place you guys have found. I think I'll take it.
What do you want, Hopkins?
I want you gone. Get lost.
Show me what you got, stick boy. You gotta be green harder than that. Don't even take it. Getting scared, pinhead. You're cruising, cruising. I'm gonna gear up the drink you want.
Hey, you, Dick, lay off. Hey, come close.
Looks like you're a little rusty. I'll fix that. I just broke up right here, and I'm gonna take it all out on your face.
Let me get a closer look at that.
I said I'd do it.
be on time is to be late. Classes are starting any minute now.
Hurry up, children. We've got a brand new set of delightful carcasses to dissect. What's the matter? Don't you like cutting things open? Take your time, boy. Dissection is an art.
Wow, that's disgusting. Oh, that smells great.
Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Excellent work, Hopkins. This will make a fine display specimen.
I rock! And that's that. Everyone at Bullworth is so mean!
It's so hard to tell if boys are like or just playing around. I wonder.
No need.
Oh, jeez.
What the heck?
Yes, Candy from Ohio, you would be a fair queen for me. In that little thong, and with those massive piles of silicone. Initially, you'd think, who's that handsome stranger? Then I'd walk into the bar, impress you with my suavity? My suavability? How suave I was. I'd look up and say, what's a nice girl like you doing in a place like this? And you'd say, take me to the hay barn.
Hey, Ernest. What's that you're reading?
Nothing. Nothing. Just some history homework.
Cool, can I see?
It's personal.
Personal history. Sounds interesting.
Yes, well, you wouldn't understand. Anyway, listen. The big game is today. Operation Trojan Cow is ready to proceed.
Operation Trojan Cow.
It's my master plan. My spies have already been gathering the information that will bring about the downfall of the jocks at this school.
So I guess I'll be needing this. Does this work?
Yes! Rendezvous with my agents in the field.
Okay, here's the mission.
Yeah, forward, go, forward! Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls!
What would you call a yard thick in the metric system?
Let's see your moves, mascot boy.
Hey, Jimbo!
Forward, bulls!
Julio!
Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward! Yeah, forward, go, forward!
You're so dorky.
I'll get them for the Wendy and shoving me in that locker. They are so toast. Hi, Jimmy. Careful! Patrols are everywhere. We are in grave danger at this very moment.
You're in grave danger of a knuckle sandwich if you don't get on with it, that's what.
Here's a ball we've rigged. Get to the shed by the field and swap it for the real game ball.
Come on, you can do it!
Yeah, forward, go, forward! Forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward!
Alright, done. Let's go change. You should come this way.
Interception!
Ah!
Hi, Jimmy. Here, take this glue bottle. It's full of glue. Go create a sticky situation on the team benches. Get it? Sticky situation. Yeah, I got it.
Hey, mascot, do that awesome dance you do.
Yeah, forward, go, forward! Forward, bulls! Forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward!
That's what I'm talking about.
Forward, bulls!
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, forward, go, forward!
Wow.
Dance for me, boy.
Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls! Yeah, forward, go, forward!
Man, I'm so glad I'm not.
Get out of my way.
The football game will be good, but not as good as wrestling match.
Funny. Joke.
messing around before I lose my patience and hurt you?
No, but it'll do. Okay, here's the deal. The jocks keep their game sports drink in a cooler. Go urinate in it. Enhance it, if you will.
Come on, dance for us.
Yeah, forward, go, forward, forward. Yeah, forward, go, forward, forward. Yeah, forward, go, forward.
Not bad. Maybe you should join our squad.
You still any good, mascot? Oh, dude.
Yeah, forward, go, forward. Yeah, forward, go, forward. Forward, forward.
Nice work, mascot boy.
There's a rumor that someone is gonna screw up the game.
This is too much for me.
Yuck! Like, sicky! Yuck! That's like totally grody!
I've heard that all Crabble snitches' pets end up in
Your quest, young Jimmy, is perilous, but the rewards are glorious. Cut the crap, Melvin. It was sort of funny the first 20 times, but it's getting old now.
Scatter them over the football field.
Ah, all right.
Mr. Curry has a new playbook for the big game.
Hello, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy. Nice outfit.
Yeah, I know. Shows off my figure, doesn't it? But enough about me. How do I mess up those jocks?
Straight to business, eh? Okay, there's a switch box on the scoreboard on the field. Get to it and switch it.
Sounds easy. What will it do?
It'll change the text to the scoreboard. I reprogrammed it. You'll like it. The jocks won't. This isn't a game, mascot boy.
You'll dance for me, won't you? Yeah, okay. I like that.
Who is that gimp?
Yeah, who is that gimp?
Oh, it's that little squirt Hopkins.
Yeah, that's Squirt Hopkins.
You're dead, Hopkins.
Yeah, dead Hopkins.
Why don't you stop repeating everything he says and get on with it?
It's chin check time, punk.
Jacked up, dude.
You'll never get by me.
Substitute. 34 power, no. You little punk. Get over here. I need some blocking. You little puke. I'm gonna get you, Captain. Come on, man. Come on. High fly, trip!
A little blood never hurt anyone. Think I'm tough? Tad's even tougher.
Get over here, I need some blocking. 32, counter trap. I'm gonna get you. Suck on this. Incoming, Captain. One, two, screen left. Go, go, go. Incoming, Captain. '94 high fly, trip. Substitute. You're in. Incoming, Captain. Put some lumber down. Yo, your tight end gets a lot of balls.
Girl. Jimmy, take out the captain to take out the team.
Unsportsmanlike conduct. Back of your head when I'm on injured reserve.
That's right, losers. Yeah! Oh, Jimmy, you did it! You did it! I'm king of the school! Oh, you beat them all in front of everybody! Thanks for your help, Petey. Oh, this is gonna be great. So here I am, suddenly the king of the school. I never meant for things to turn out this way. I just wanted to control a couple of psycho kids and be left alone. But now I guess I'm certainly going to live the good life.